5 a.m. What the heck am I doing up so early? Yeah. I have 5 paintings to finish today. 5. Yeah. This one is for a 12-year-old boy, Chase. I don't know him. He doesn't know me. But he's only about, 12 years old. And he gives back to the community. He's a community hero. So I'm painting this for him. And that's not the awkward part. The awkward part is walking up to him. Hey Chase, you don't know me, but I painted this for you. Easy, right? No. I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know if he'll like this painting or not. Oh, wowzers. Must not be awake yet. Coffee. I need some coffee. And time just keeps ticking away. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Oh. While I was painting this, I kept thinking about Chase. Most kids his age are thinking about baseball. And yeah, so is Chase. But he's also volunteering for the Agriculture Society. He does set up, take down, cleans up, whatever's needed. The kind of work that most people don't even notice. They just show up for a meal. And honestly, that's what caught my attention. The fact that a young kid is already finding out ways to help his community. Hello. That's why I'm painting this for him. Time flies when you're having fun. Oh, I gotta get at it. It gotta be good. Now I'm nervous. The painting is done. Time's up. Time's up. Oh, I gotta move on to the next painting. That little voice in my head just keeps asking, what if he doesn't like it? Like, how awkward is it to walk up to a teenager and say, here, I painted this for you? He's like, okay, this is really random. This random old lady is giving me something. Danger, danger. Oh gosh. Okay, time's up. The painting is done. Done is better than perfect. Oh, this is the hardest part. What if they don't like it? Then I remember something. When I was going through cancer, people showed up for me. Complete strangers showed up for me. They didn't have to, but they did. I'll never forget that. Now it's come full circle. Now it's my turn. So I designed this for you, and I hope you love it.
Is it a $5 or $50?
That's your birthday, and I know you love the Jays, and I know you're making a difference in the community, so I made that for you. Oh, really? Nice, nice. Yeah, and then the last person that I gave art to, they did a quote on it. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken.
Thank you so much.
A new Jays fan. Great. You're welcome. Enjoy. I finally got the courage to give one away. And once I gave away the first one, the other ones got a little easier. Not easy, just easier. Chase, thanks for reminding us all that you're never too young to make a difference. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. It's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. 4 more to go. Whoop, whoop.